So you all want to know how I keep my beard so soft and shiny? No? Well, I'm going to tell you anyway. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Roy. I do all sorts of stuff on this channel. I do just talking, head videos. I do e-biking, camping. I do yard work, tractor work, all sorts of stuff. It's everyday stuff. Whatever comes to my mind, I will put out to you guys. And if you're a returning watcher, thanks for continually watching. Today, I'm just going to do a quick video about how I take care of my beard, all right? It may not be the correct way, but it's the way I do it. And first off, when I shower and stuff and wash my hair, I wash my beard with the same shampoo that I wash my hair with. And it's just basically Head and Shoulders 2-in-1. Whatever kind I buy at the time. This one here is, whatever dry scalp and has almond oil. It's 2-in-1. Shampoo and conditioner. All right. And I know people out there will say you're not supposed to wash your beard with shampoo because it'll dry it out. I do. Okay. Next thing I do is I comb it out with a sandalwood comb. Sandalwood comb. First I use the wider ones. Do the wider teeth. Just do this. Then I go back through and do the thinner. Okay. Get all the knots out. And I'll go underneath. So it all spreads out. All right. Then I use my beard oil. And this is homemade beard oil. It's simple, easy to make. If you're interested, all these ingredients will be in the description below, along with that comb. Okay? If you're interested. Make your own. It's cheaper. First up, you got to have carrier oils. And I use 2 different carrier oils, okay? I use a sweet almond, all right? Gives it the shine. It also moisturizes. Okay? Jojoba oil. It's also another softener, okay? I mix them 50-50, okay? In an old bottle. This is an old, smaller almond oil bottle. I just pop the inside out, fill this up, okay? And I add whatever essential oil that I like. Mainly, I only use sandalwood because I like the smell of it. You could use whatever you want. Sandalwood, okay? It smells like earthy, outdoorsy woods. That's what I like to use, okay? So what do? I just take this off and I just sprinkle some on my fingers and just rub it in like this, okay? You can just smell it, and I just rub some on my mustache up here, because this hair here tends to get a little squirrely sometimes. And I gotta get this part of my mustache here a little bit, because I don't know why it's always just this part here, but I sleep with a CPAP machine, so I have a mask and it always flattens this out. So I gotta kind of just get this going here, but okay, get this. All right, always just use a little bit, grab it from the bottom. Okay, that's all I do. Then I just use one of these other brushes. This came with one of my beard trimmers. So I don't know if you could find, I haven't looked, but I don't know if you can find one of these on, online or whatever just is, but I've kept it. It's a little bit smaller and I can rinse this out. It's, it's plastic. So I just go right down through here like that. Okay. And I just, comb it through. I'll come up from the bottom, comb it through. All right. All right, and it may spread out like this a little bit. Okay. Don't worry about it. Then I just go like this. All right, just grab it. Sometimes I'll grab it like this, twist it, okay? Grab it like that, twist it, just so it gets all, there we go. Put together. That's it. That's how I take care of my beard. Make it so soft and shiny. I know. You guys are all jealous. That's it. Like I said, links will be in the description below for all these oils. And thanks for watching. And if you want to watch some more of my videos, check out the next one up here. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.